Hi, my name is Scott Greer, and I'm a developer on RTC's Enterprise Extensions team. Let's spend a few minutes looking at two new features introduced in RTC version 5. These changes, which complement each other, provide a useful historical perspective on your dependency build configurations. The first thing we're introducing should be familiar to anyone who's used the History tab on RTC work items. We've added a History tab to all of the system definitions used in Enterprise Extensions. Since these system definitions are used to configure your dependency builds on IBMI and ZOS, we recognize the importance of providing this historical perspective. One thing to note is that this history data is derived from information we already have. There's nothing to enable or to configure. We have the data and we're now making it available to you in the client. The second thing we're introducing complements the History tab I just talked about. We now have a Build Components report, which is part of every build result. This new report shows you the system definitions used in that particular build and allows you to open those specific versions of those system definitions. Combined, these two changes can be useful in triaging problems in dependency builds, perhaps trying to understand what went wrong with a given build, or why a build no longer works the way it used to. Just seeing what changed when and by whom has obvious benefits in maintaining your dependency builds. Let's explore these benefits in the demo. Here, I have a build result. On the External Links tab, I now have a new report, the Build Components report. This presents the system definitions associated with this particular build. I can click on any system definition to open it, and from there I can examine its properties and even its history. Now let's illustrate exactly how this historical perspective works. Since this build used the current version of this system definition, note that I'm free to make changes. If I then go back to the Build Components report and click on that same system definition, the results are a bit different because the build used what is now an older version of that system definition. I can no longer revise this version. And notice that history continues to show me all of the changes to this resource. However, changes that were made after this version are differentiated by this message. Note that I can easily access the current version of this resource at any time by clicking this message. I have two editors now open showing the same resource, but at different points in time. Regardless of which version you're looking at, history will always show you the full change history for that resource. This new history view, in conjunction with the Build Components report, should prove useful in managing and triaging your dependency builds. Thanks for your time. We trust that you'll find this historical perspective on your dependency builds useful.